So in this video, let's talk about how you can turn off the Bixby on your phone. Let's get started. So naturally, Bixby is part of the Galaxy devices. It's like a virtual voice assistant, and if you go to your apps and search for it, it should work as a dedicated standalone app, right? So yeah, you should be able to find it right there. And in order to turn it off, open up the settings. And what you need to do is to scroll down through the options until you get to the advanced features, right? So when you click in here, more options will appear, and you can already see we have the Bixby situation right there. But it just opens up the app and tries to set it up for me. But you can at first turn off the smart suggestions. This is going to limit Bixby in that sense. But also tap on the side button, and you can choose that something else will happen when you press and hold on the side button. You have two options in order to wake Bixby, which you're trying not to do. So what I would recommend you to do is to choose the other option, which will give you the power off menu. You can also search through the settings and find another set of Bixby options, like dedicated Bixby settings. And you have some things which you can change, like the Bixby style and other settings. You also have a leave Bixby, so you can tap on that to see what happens. For me, I don't even have it set up, so it doesn't really do much. But that's like these are the main things you can do in order to get rid of and stop using the Bixby virtual assistant. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.